Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the file encrypting service on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to proceed to type in Services. One of the best matches should say Services here. You want to left click on that, and you want to go down to get to Encrypting File System right here. So double click on it. Underneath startup type, if you want to turn it on, you want to set it to automatic and then select apply and OK. If you're looking to turn it off, you want to select disabled and then apply and OK as well. So personal preference here, let's say we want to turn it on, just select apply and OK. Once you've done that, I would recommend you close out of any open programs or applications you have on your computer still, restart your device, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.